Wandercraft and Renault reveal Calvin, the fastest built humanoid robot yet. Wandercraft, the French robotics company known for helping people walk again with advanced exoskeletons, just took a bold step into industrial robotics. Meet Calvin, their new humanoid robot reportedly built in just 40 days. That's quicker than most of us can assemble flat pack furniture. Originally focused on medical mobility, Wandercraft's tech helped a paraplegic athlete carry the Olympic flame, a powerful symbol of progress. Now, thanks to a new partnership and investment from Renault, they're expanding into the factory floor. Calvin is designed to handle repetitive, non-ergonomic tasks, freeing up human workers and boosting productivity. He doesn't have gripper's hands yet, but can move boxes like a pro. Meanwhile, Wandercraft's exoskeletons continue to evolve, with their Antilati X and new personal exoskeleton bringing hands-free walking to clinics, and soon perhaps your living room. It's mobility meets manufacturing, and Wandercraft's just getting started. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.